In the previous video, we talked about what is Blue Prism. Now in this video, we'll talk about Blue Prism installation pre-requirements. In order to install Blue Prism in your system, you have to first ensure your computer or laptop meets the minimum requirements or not. Blue Prism can be installed on Windows 8 or 10 or any supported operating system. Next, you should have minimum 2 GB RAM, but you know nowadays 2 GB is very less. You should have at least 4 GB RAM to use this Blue Prism software. Now the next is .NET Framework 4.7 or later version. If you want to take, you can go to C drive and then click on this C drive here, and then just double click on Windows and then find out here Microsoft .NET, then search for framework and then find out the latest version of framework. Here you can see we have version 4.0. double click on that and then search for accessibility. Here you can see accessibility.dll. right click on that and click on properties and then click on details, and here you can see we have product version that is 4.8 and file version 4.8 Microsoft.NET Framework. So by this way you can ensure you have Microsoft.NET Framework installed in your system or not. If your system doesn't have Microsoft.NET Framework installed, then you can visit Google and you can search there download Microsoft.NET Framework and then click on the first link. This is .NET.microsoft.com. click on this. This is the official website, and from here you can download the latest version that is 4.8. you can download and you can install that. Once you are ready with this, you have to make sure that you have SQL Server 2017 installed in your system. This is only required if you are using trial edition. Trial edition is used for organization. If you are using learning edition, then SQL Server 2017 installation is not required. Blue Prism will automatically install local database, local DB in your system, and then you will be ready to use Blue Prism directly without installing SQL Server. In the next video, we'll talk about how to download Blue Prism.